Hello and welcome to my video about the Rode NT3. I might have to boost this microphone test in post, so check every data down below here to see what we changed and what we didn't change. I wouldn't call myself super OG, but I bought my first NT3 around 2008 or something, and this is the box it came in, and yeah, it is very nice. I would like them to bring back this design. It says very much like early 2000s or late 90s, and I'm also a proud owner of a mid generation one, and I'm also part of the latest generation one. So yes, this is my history with the NT3. This microphone is a microphone I hold near and dear, and I've been mainly using it for vocals and guitar. And this is a condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. What you get in the box is these things. You get the microphone, you get a microphone clamp, you also get an adapter for the microphone arm, and then you get the windscreen, the VS3, and you get a Ziploc bag. And here is the polar pattern. Here we have the frequency response. I'm not very familiar with these kind of things, but at least I'm showing it here, the polar pattern and the frequency response. And now it's unprocessed, what you're hearing right now. And on my Behringer Euphoria UMC 202, I have it set on 12 o'clock. And I'm hitting around negative 20 to 15 dB. I'm staying in yellow, and you're mellow. So let's see what the microphone sounds like. Now I'm speaking straight in the front of the microphone. And now we're moving around to the side of the microphone. And now I'm speaking straight from the back of the microphone. And I'm moving slowly around to the other side of the microphone. And this is me speaking from behind the green screen. And now we're back in the front of the microphone, and this is what the microphone sounds like when it's about approximately, I don't know, 2, 5, 10 centimeters from my mouth. Please put your pelvis in a better posture. Peter did put his pelvis in a better posture. Please put your pelvis in a better posture. Peter did put his pelvis in a better posture. Please put your pelvis in a better posture. Peter did put his pelvis in a better posture. And here you can see the importance of mic placement. About a 45-degree, like, angled towards my mouth, so my ear can travel straight forward without hitting the capsule of the microphone. And now for the all-round sound test. Some light tapping on the desk. Some light tapping on the boom arm. Maybe you can do those. Some light tapping on the body of the microphone. In general handling noise. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, I thought I heard you right. Yeah. Yeah, I've been traveling so much. Like, this is a very very much unease radio host. Yeah, I just want to see how, I don't know, man. General handling noise. And this is what it sounds like when I Google my name. And now let's get into some gameplay. So now we are starting Fortnite to see some clickety-clack and clockety-clock. It's gonna be crowded, it's gonna be crowded, so much crowded. I love this. Okay, let's get in here. Oh no, there's a boss in here. Oh my god, why did I go here? Oh my god. Hellbell! There's no weapons here, what's going on? Oh my god. Okay, now is the perfect time for you guys to listen to some clickety-clack sounds. So let's cut into the raw audio from the microphone. Oh my god, I'm gonna die here. Okay, we got some clickety-clack sounds. I hope you enjoy it. Oh my god, I'm gonna die so hard. They are not joking. Okay, there you go. You probably got some clickety-clack sounds from that. So, yes, there you go. People are cruel, people are dumb sometimes. People are dumb, people are cruel. People are dumb, people are cruel sometimes. People are dumb, people are cruel. And this concludes this video about my Rode NT3. Now it's just up to you if you want to get yours. My name is Dennis Hansson and you have been watching a microphone video here at Camerat Dennis. See you in the next one. People are dumb, people are cruel.